Mastering Student Finances with AI, the ultimate guide for comfortable living. Limited finances and almost unlimited desires of students, a complex formula that needs to be brought to a common denominator. But there is good news, AI works great with data and numbers, including AI-based tools help quickly and accurately manage finances, give tips on spending, provide measures for saving, and offer detailed budget planning for long periods of time. Technologies and practical advice, what will allow you not only to fit into any budget but also to get the most out of it.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Budgeting simplified with AI. Budgeting doesn't just sound like a tedious job, it is. AI is here to structure data and find a way out of even the most difficult situations. The advent of YNAB, Mint, or even Google Sheets with AI-driven add-ons is a very revolution that can open the doors of opportunity as much as possible. AI can accurately analyze expenses and calculate potential losses or benefits from adding and removing goods or services on a regular basis. Students also get the opportunity to forecast expenses, adjust them, and look for non-obvious opportunities to improve budget management. Steps to create an AI-enhanced budget. 1. Track spending automatically. Link your accounts to budgeting apps that categorize expenses in real time. 2. Set goals. Whether saving for textbooks or a weekend trip, let AI assist in creating realistic savings plans. 3. Receive alerts. Get notifications when you approach spending limits, your personal financial tutor, keeping you in check. AI-powered savings, from small change to big impact. Everyone has to save, only a few can afford absolutely everything and not monitor their cash flow. Apps like Accounts and Digit are designed to analyze expenses and calculate available amounts for savings. They can show what you could save on, not buying cheaper, or replacing with another product. Think of it as applying a clever formula to maximize every dollar. Example: spend $4.50 on coffee. AI apps round it to $5 and save 50 cents for you. Small increments accumulate over time, building an emergency fund with minimal effort. This is similar to how Math Solver AI takes small variables in a problem and integrates them into a solution. Small savings, consistent growth. Affordable living with smart tech. AI solutions don't just improve academics, they optimize everyday living. 1. Smart meal planning. Use AI-driven grocery apps like Mealime or Supercook to find recipes based on ingredients you already own. This minimizes waste and saves money. For instance, AI can suggest how to stretch a $20 grocery budget across multiple meals. 2. Shared resources. AI tools like Splitways help roommates divide bills fairly and track shared expenses. No more awkward conversations about who owes what. 3. Transportation savings. AI apps like Waze or Google Maps optimize routes, reducing transportation costs. If your university offers ride-sharing programs, AI algorithms ensure you're matched with the best routes and schedules. Leveraging AI in education to save money. For non-essential spending, allocate a reasonable limit. A fun fund prevents guilt when treating yourself while keeping indulgences in check. But you can try different budget allocation options. Just don't forget to double-check yourself with the Math iOS app to make sure your income and expenses match up. You can simply take a photo of the task, and the AI tool will do the rest for you. It will also be useful for academic work. Practical applications. 1. Homework efficiency. Struggling with calculus? Use Math Solver AI to understand step-by-step solutions, saving hours of frustration and possibly expensive tutoring sessions. 2. Textbook alternatives. Tools like Scribd and Perlego offer AI-powered search capabilities, helping students find affordable or free alternatives to expensive textbooks. 3. Online learning platforms. AI-driven platforms personalize study experiences, reducing the need for supplementary classes. AI as your money-saving mentor. While AI can't hand you free money, it offers actionable strategies for affordable student living. Predictive spending. Apps predict when you're likely to overspend based on past behavior, nudging you to stay on track. AI shopping assistance. Tools like Honey and Rakuten automatically apply discounts at checkout or suggest cheaper alternatives. Subscription management. Use AI-powered platforms like Truebill to identify and cancel unused subscriptions, saving hundreds yearly.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.